The Plaintiff Recovery Trust, a tax-saving tool. Winning a lawsuit should feel like a victory. However, the Banks v. Commissioner ruling can turn it into a double tax headache. The Supreme Court decision means that plaintiffs often face double taxation, paying taxes on the entire taxable portion of the settlement, including attorney fees. This leaves the plaintiff with as little as 9 cents on the dollar after taxes and attorney fees. That's where the Plaintiff Recovery Trust comes in. This powerful tool helps plaintiffs eliminate taxes on the attorney fee portion, maximizing their net after-tax recovery, sometimes by as much as 150%. This is what makes the PRT a game changer for your client's financial future. Contact a PRT expert today to learn how a Plaintiff Recovery Trust can make settlements work smarter.